I are still at the harbour, and now we have a little treat to see an old craft. So I don't know if you want to say anything about it, or you want to say hello.
This is just repairing some old nets by stitching in a new piece, because this one was buggered.
Fucked, basically.
Yeah, fucked. Yeah.
We say fucked here. And he's done this for 10 years permanently and started 3 years before that doing it. During the financial crisis when he had to find a new business to do or something new to do. He was a builder. But now he's sewing from April until, when was it?
Mid-October.
Mid-October. And you'll just find him here sitting in sewing and sewing. It's fucking fast too. Looks tough.
Yeah, you can feel your fingers when you get home.
Yeah. I got arthritis in mine and fibro. So I do make a bracelets, but that's not tough like that. Don't have to pull a saw tight. And as you can see, he has a long way to go. Big net. I'm just gonna sit down and watch. But it's a nice little stool he sets on. This looks perfect for the job.
It's a saying in Denmark that it has to be home built before you can call yourself bundgarnsfisker, as is means fishermen with this kind of net. You have to build your own before, otherwise you're not.
So did you build your own?
Yeah.
Good.
I did in my winter. So.
And how many days did it take? A week?
A week.
A week?
1 week.
1 week. Did you make it out from your own fantasy, or did you look up? And
I draw it myself on a on a piece of paper how I wanted it to be, and then of course I was a bit maybe inspired. Have seen them before, but I made my own.
Yeah.
By fantasy, yeah.
Yeah.
You can say that.
Well, otherwise you would have looked up measurements and.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
made them myself. So.
Anyway, thank you very much for letting us see your craft.
You're
It's
welcome.
amazing. And have a lovely summer. Hope no rain. But it's Denmark. We get 4 seasons in a day.